Hello, I am Alisha Malik. I have came to the screen of Shiro Vision with some new pieces of news for you. Wife of late Union Minister P. Rangarajan Kumaram Mangalam murdered in Delhi. K.T. Kumaram Mangalam, the wife of late former Union Minister P. Rangarajan Kumaram Mangalam, was murdered at her residence in Delhi, Vasant Vihar on Tuesday night. The police said one person has been detained and the search is on for two other accused, the police added. According to the police, it is a case of murder come robbery. The regular washerman Ruby came to the Kumara Mangalam's house at around 9 pm on Tuesday. When the maid opened the door, he overpowered her and dragged her to a room to restrain her. In the meantime, two other boys entered and overpowered Kitty, Kumbaramangalam, and suffocated her using a pillow. The three accused then fled the place. The maid somehow untied herself and raised the alarm. The police said they received a call at around 11 pm on Tuesday about the incident. A team was formed and one of the accused, the washerman named Raju, was nabbed. The accused 24 is a resident of Bhavanwar Singh camp in Vasant Vihar. He has disclosed the name of two other accused to the police. P. Rangarajan Kumaramangalam served as a union minister in the cabinet of former Prime Minister Atal Bihari Vajpayee between 1998 to 2001. Euro 2020, Italy beat Spain 4-2 in penalty shootout inter-final. The verdict is out, and Italy are the first finalists of the Euro 2020 after a 4-2 win over Spain in the penalty shootout to look a final berth in Euro 2020 final at Wembley Stadium in London. Jorginho scored the dizzy penalty after Gianluigi Donnarumma saved a shot from Alvaro Morata. The match had finished in 1-1 through extra time. Manuel Locatelli and Dani Olmo missed the opening shots for Italy and Spain respectively before Andrea Bellotti gave Italy the lead in the shootout. Gerardo Morano and Thiago Alcantara scored for Spain, but Donnarumma marred their effort by denying Morata. With both the teams unbeaten in the last 25 days, the result of the match could not be decided in the first 90 minutes. Italy and Spain headed to extra time in the European semi-finals with the scores even at 1-1. Italy and Spain were meeting in the knockout round for the fourth straight European Championship, this time with a spot in a final on the line. The saucer powerhouses who have claimed the power 4 European titles and 5 World Cup crowns between them set the Wembley Stadium in London in the Euro 2020 on fire on Tuesday. Nicola Barella had the chance to put Italy ahead in the 4th minute, but hit the post after getting a fantastic ball from the Marco Verratti from the left flank. Italy will meet the winner of the second semi-final between England and Denmark in the semi-clash at the same venue on Sunday night. Ministry of Cooperation. Modi government creates new ministry to strengthen cooperative movement. The Modi government on Tuesday announced new Ministry of Cooperation for strengthening the cooperative movement in the country. This comes in the backdrop of the cabinet expansion exercise that is expected to take place on Wednesday evening. This new ministry will provide a separate administrative, legal and policy framework for strengthening the cooperative movement in the country. The government said in a press note, adding that it will help deepen cooperatives as a true people-based movement reaching out to the grassroots. In the country, a cooperative-based economic development model is very relevant, where each member works with the spirit of responsibility, the press release mentioned. It said that the center has signaled its deep commitment to community-based development partnership and added that the creation of a separate ministry also fulfills the announcement made by the finance minister in the union budget. A meeting of the union cabinet has been called at 11 am on Wednesday to deliberate on the expansion. Reacting to PM Modi's announcement to the former separate Ministry of Cooperation, Indian Home Minister Amit Shah on Tuesday said that the decision will bring prosperity to agriculture and rural sector. Amit Shah further added that the decision will take the cooperative sector to new heights. For the last 7 years, the Modi government is continuously serving for the welfare of the village poor and farmers of the country and making the business related to them self-reliant. I am sure this historic decision will inspire the cooperative sector and its people and will take India's cooperative sector to new heights. Amit Shah tweeted. Woman had no clue she was having a heart attack until Apple Watch sent her to hospital. Heroic tales of the Apple Watch saving people's lives continue to surface. The latest story is about a woman who had no idea that she was having a heart attack until her Apple Watch alerted her about abnormal heart rates. As per the WZZM 13 report, a woman from Michigan got to know about her heart attack only after reaching the hospital. Well, all thanks to her Apple Watch for alerting her about the same. Diana Finstra from Michigan was alerted about abnormally high heart rate by the Apple Watch. She called her husband to know if that is concerning, who then asked her to rush to the hospital. The day in question, April 22, I had 169 beats per minute heart rate, even though the most vigorous exercise I had done was to walk out 12 steps. So I called my husband at work and said, "Do you think this is concerning?" And he said, "Call your doctor," Finestra told WZZM 30. Unlike men who feel an elephant on their chest many times, a woman's symptoms are very different. I had pain going down my left hand. I had a little swelling in my left foot. I had indigestions that I explained, as the acid reflux that I was experiencing. I got older. The biggest thing was a pain in my shoulder, and I figured I had vacuumed and put my muscles out of breath somehow, she said.
জিরো ভিশন, সবার সাথে সবার পাশে। জিরো ভিশন। জিরো ভিশন আজ কলকাতা তথা গ্রাম বাংলার পশ্চিমবঙ্গের সাধারণ মানুষের পাশে এসে দাঁড়িয়েছে। জিরো ভিশন সবার সাথে সবার পাশে। আপনারাও পারেন জিরো ভিশনের মতন সবার পাশে এসে দাঁড়াতে। আসুন না, সাহায্যের হাত বাড়িয়ে দিই। আপনারা যদি সাহায্য করতে চান, তলার এই নাম্বারগুলোর সাথে যোগাযোগ করতে পারেন। প্রত্যেকটাই আমাদের জিরো ভিশন সংস্থার নাম্বার। ভালো থাকুন, সুস্থ থাকুন।
That's it for today for me and my team. Thank you for watching. Please stay safe and stay at home. If you like our channel, please do subscribe, like, share and comment. Thank you.